The next rule is the product rule. If the two functions a and b are differentiable or the derivative exists, then the product is differentiable. So the derivative of ab is the derivative of a times b plus a times the derivative of b. For an example, y equals the quantity of 6x cubed minus x times the quantity of 10 minus 20x. So the step is by using the formula, we're going to find first the derivative of a times b. So it will be 18x squared minus 1 times 10 minus 20x plus a times the derivative of b, which is 6x cubed minus x times negative 20. Simplify, so the derivative is negative 480x cubed plus 180x squared plus 40x minus 10. Next is the quotient rule. If the two functions a and b are differentiable or the derivative exists, then the product is differentiable. So the derivative of a over b is the derivative of a times b minus a times the derivative of b over b squared. For an example, y equals 3x plus 9 over 2 minus x. It equals to 3 times 2 minus x minus 3x plus 9 times negative 1 over 2 minus over the quantity of 2 minus x raised to the power of 2. Simplify, so the answer is 15 over the quantity of 2 minus x squared. The next rule is the derivative of a composition or the chain rule. If y equals a raised to the power of n, its derivative is n times a raised to the power of n minus 1 times the derivative of a. For an example, y equals the quantity of x raised to the power of 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 3. It equals to 3 times x raised to the power of 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 times the derivative of a, which is 4x cubed. Then simplify, so the derivative is equal to 12x cubed times the quantity of x raised to the power of 4 plus 2 raised to the power of 2. The last rule is the negative integer power. If y equals 1 over a raised to the power of n, then its derivative is equal to a raised to the power of negative n minus 1. For an example, y equals 4 over x raised to the power of 6. We can also write it into 4x raised to the power of negative 6. To find its derivative, it will be 4 times negative 6x raised to the power of negative 6 minus 1. Simplify, it will be negative 24x raised to the power of negative 7. We can still simplify this and turn it into fraction because the exponent is negative. So it will be negative 24 over x raised to the power of 7. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, clarification, and suggestions, kindly comment it down below.